Hey guys, welcome back to my channel Imaginator. I was recently going through some of my old artworks and found many which had a lot of mistakes in them. Obviously, I have improved throughout the years, but I wanted to see what I could change. That's why I will be recreating my old artworks. Let's get started. I have kept a lot of my old art pieces in this folder. Let's go through them and find out which one to recreate. I finally found these two. Let's start. My first drawing is this mountain scenery which I colored with color pencils. First of all the colors I used are very light, which doesn't make it look attractive. Then the shading is very messy. The mountains are crooked and the outline of the birds is very thick. But I'm gonna try to improvise all these mistakes. The new painting now looks bright and more accurate. I could have improved more in the drawing, but I did try my best. The second artwork is this heart tree painting. I actually painted this with poster paints. Firstly, the background shade is uneven. The tree's branches have an uneven outline and the hearts are not painted properly. In the new painting, the colors are bright and the placing of the hearts is cleaner. I also outlined the tree with a black pen and also gave the hearts a highlight so that it pops out more. I hope you enjoyed. Hit that like button if you liked the video and don't forget to subscribe to stay in touch with my videos. Thank you for watching. See you next time. Goodbye.